Basamma and her husband are preparing to send daughter Nagamani off to her husband's place. What's wrong, you may ask? Well, nothing wrong in it except that Nagamani is just 16 and is joining her husband as she has attained puberty. She was married off as a child and had to quit school when she was in the third grade to assist her parents on the farm. Her sisters, 12-year-old Durgamma and 7-year-old Neelamma, were also married off 4 months back. They too will be sent off to their husbands once they attain puberty.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಭೀ ಬೋಂದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ರೀ, ಚಪಾತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ರೀ, ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಪಲ್ಯ ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಉಳ್ಳು ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, ಉಂಡ್ರಿ, ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಕಾಳು ಹಾಕ್ದ್ರಿ, ಬಂದ್ರಿ.
Illiteracy, poverty, and ignorance of law in semi-arid districts of North Karnataka are often a rule than an exception. With other employment avenues difficult to find, large sections of people migrate to urban areas to earn a living. Parents resort to early marriage due to a variety of reasons: fear of sexual harassment, payment of higher dowries for educated girls, community pressure, and most often because that is what they have been doing all along.
ಅದು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ತವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತದ, ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ, ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆದವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಂತರ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ತವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಈಗ ಭೀ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಕ್ಕಂತ ನಾವು ಆಸೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಭೀ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ.
Jagdevi is a student at the UNICEF NORAD-run Bridge School for Child Labour at Khandal in Gulbarga. Her father, a migrant labourer, and her ailing grandfather decided to marry off 10-year-old Jagdevi to a 17-year-old relative. Don Bosco, an NGO that is partnering with UNICEF and the district administration in its efforts towards elimination of child labour, got wind of it and prevailed upon the elders in the family to postpone the wedding. The village panchayat members, headmaster, and the local volunteers who are part of the child rights training and sensitization joined in. Together with a little pressure from the community, they persuaded Jagdevi's family to give up the idea. At last, Jagdevi's father Timmaya gave it in writing that he wouldn't marry off his daughter until she was 18. Village elders too signed it, showing commitment to the issue.
ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರು ಸರು, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಕರೆಸಿ ಈ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಲಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈ ತಿರುಗಿ ಮಾಡೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜು, ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು.
This is a good example of what can be done when sensitized community come together to act in favor of children with a little motivation from a social catalyst and their own community leaders. It is not that they do not know about the illegality of the practice. It is only now that they are being questioned, not by any outsiders, but by their own people.
Lack of information is a big hurdle for the government to take action since most child marriages are held secretly. Strong belief in age-old traditions and superstitions adds to the problem. The need for information to families on hazards of child marriage is being taken up through local health community workers.
ಅರಿವು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಾಲಕಿಯರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗುವಿನ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವಾಗ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ 18 ವರ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತೊಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
The strategy seems to be paying off. 15-year-old Gundamma goes to the local night school since her parents cannot afford to put her in a day school. Her mother and father, both agricultural labourers, decided to end her studies and get her married.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ತಂದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, ನಾ ಬ್ಯಾಡ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಅವರೇ ಜೋರ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ.
UNICEF argued Gundamma's case with her parents and succeeded in putting off her marriage.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸದ ರೀ ಸರ್.
In response to UNICEF's initiative, the district administration has also decided to adopt a multi-pronged strategy.
Basically, it's a social level which has to go by two measures. One is the preventive measures, another is the punitive measures. Awareness, we are taking help of NGOs also. We are involving the Gram Panchayat members, elected representative, to pass a message to the people that if you are marrying your girl below 18 years of age, what are the complications that she is going to face in the life. My request to the people will be that if anything of this type is happening in the neighbor, please inform the district administration.
In Gulbarga, UNICEF and the local administration have made a beginning with the help of the community. Only sustenance of such good work will ensure early eradication of this problem.